Welcome back to Closing Bell. Tesla is set to deliver 15 China-made Model 3 cars on Monday. These are the first vehicles to come out of Tesla's Shanghai factory since the company started production there in October. Joining us now to talk about what this means for Tesla's bottom line, Alexander Stoklosa. I hope I said that right. Senior editor at Motor Trend. Okay, good. Alexander, thanks for joining us.
Thank you. So,
how significant? I was going to say, how significant of a milestone is this that Tesla is now rolling these cars off the production line there?
It's quite big. They are finally pushing outside of the U.S. market. So until now, they've only been building cars in California, and this allows them to get cars to consumers in China at a slightly lower cost and much quicker than they have been up until this point.
One of the conversations we had on our air earlier today, especially in light of everything that's going on with the U.S.-China trade dynamics right now, is technology transfer and what it has meant for American companies to come in and manufacture in China. What does it mean for Tesla in terms of all that technology and all that IP that's been so important to them?
So what it means for Tesla is they've carved out a really interesting little niche over there. So their factory they retain complete ownership of it. So they have not been required to enter into a joint venture with a local manufacturer. So for them, my understanding of this would be that there is no transfer there, so they get to hang on to their intellectual property, as well as they've just gotten this factory up incredibly fast. They started in January with construction, and cars are already rolling off the line today.
Yeah, I was going to ask you about that, Alexander. That you said incredibly fast. I mean, is there anything you can sort of compare it to in terms of how quickly it went up? Should there be a concern about quality given how fast it moved?
I don't know about, I mean, they've ironed out over months and months and months any production issues they had with the Tesla Model 3 in California, which was their first volume model. And they're starting with the Model 3 in Shanghai, and then eventually they will add the Model Y crossover. They're starting relatively tamely as well. They've only set a target of a few thousand cars monthly until demand ramps up, as well as the rest of the factory. So the factory is still being built out, and that's what that $1.29 billion loan that they secured today from China and Chinese banks will help facilitate.